Start by reading the furniture tag and noting the clean code before touching any product to your upholstery. If the tag shows the letter W, use a water-based cleaner and start by vacuuming with an upholstery attachment to remove grit that will abrade fibers. For S-coated fabrics, select a solvent-based cleaner and work in a well-ventilated area, applying cleaner to a microfiber cloth first and blotting rather than rubbing to avoid pile distortion. When the tag reads S/W, you can choose either approach, so prefer the gentlest method first, which usually means diluted water-based cleaner and blotting, and only escalate to solvents if staining persists. An X code means professional cleaning only, so avoid home products and instead rely on vacuuming and spot treating with plain dry cleaning sponge if necessary. Always perform a spot test in an inconspicuous area using the intended product, and wait until totally dry to confirm there is no color change, shrinkage, or texture shift. Keep a small kit ready with a mild dish soap solution, a neutral pH upholstery shampoo, white cotton cloths, a soft brush, and a hand pump sprayer for controlled application. People often ignore the code and apply a home steam cleaner, which can set stains and cause shrinkage, so confirm codes and avoid heat on solvent-only fabrics. Another common mistake is using colored cloths that transfer dye during spot tests, so always use white cotton and blot gently to judge results. Finally, many assume that stronger equals better and over-dilute solvents or use straight bleach, which fades and weakens fibers. Instead, follow manufacturer guidance, use the mildest effective agent, and call a professional when tag instructions restrict home treatment. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and practical project information related to upholstery, care, and repair. We host a discussion community where we share experiences, ask questions, and help each other find reliable work and projects.